Hey, Ace family. Just kidding. Wrong channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just vlogging this a little bit of the day. So earlier today I wrote an exam, well, a final paper. Not really a paper, but it was a computer paper, but whatever. So I'm vlogging this a little bit because I want to show you the cake that we ordered. So I'm on my way to pick it up right now. I'm supposed to be there at 4. And I have like 20 minutes, but it's like 15 minutes away, so I'm gonna leave now. But I just wanted to start my vlog because I might vlog the rest of this weekend as well. So I'll bring you guys along so you can see all the festivities. But yeah, planning on like really doing this better. But I'm clearly not doing this as greatly as I could be. Okay guys, so here's the cake that I went to go fetch. It's so cute. Look! Oh, the ice cream. Isn't that the cutest thing ever?
Yeah, it's so adorable. I saw this. I watched Elle's second birthday and I saw this on her cake.
And it's so cute.
And I'm like, yeah. Me too.
Okay, you guys, so we're at the mall. We came all the way to Clearwater just to get some donuts, which is crazy because I don't like donuts. But I've been watching the Ace Family, and Austin McBrome is always on this donut tip, like all the time. So I'm gonna try them out. I think it's just because I had them a lot when I was a kid, but I'll try them out today. So we're gonna get some donuts, like two maybe. That's a lot. Let's start at Pick and Pay because I'm gonna get this spatula and it comes with a cookie cutter, and I really want it because it's like a Christmas. Actually, it's a unicorn one, and I have a Christmas one. I have a Santa one, so I really want another one because you can never have too many spatulas. It's true. We're here. She's way too hyped. I don't know why, but we're going to Pick and Pay first. You know, start with the boring things. End off with the nice stuff. That's just well, a spatula is pretty boring.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that.
I'd rather go to exclusive places.
We're talking about going. We're talking about going to Comic-Con.
Yeah.
And
I'll be that.
Me and my friends want to go as the pop-up girls because that's what they called us at school one time, and so it just kind of stuck. So we're thinking pop-up girls. But I probably shouldn't tell you, but by the time you see this vlog, hopefully it's like mid-year next year, you know. And if you go to Comic-Con, hopefully we get the tickets. You know, there's still a lot of factors that need to go into it.
There's
but
there's challenges we can do at the grocery store next year.
Like, because I'm pretty sure I'd see maybe this Pick and Pay is just too small, you know, which sucks. I came all the way here. Ungrateful Pick and Pay.
Oh
ungrateful.
My gosh.
Vlog family. So I think I'm gonna get this one. Just like Austin did. And then one day when I actually have it, you know, I'll get someone to do the whole Catherine thing. And then I'll tag the Ace Family because they need to get credits. Yep.
The Catherine thing when she was in the
I
house.
shall drive it one day in Jesus' name.
Maybe we should go.
So this girl wants to flake on me. We said we're getting, what is it, donuts? And she wants to get a whole Cinnabon. Who does that?
It's better.
We're here, we have a purpose, we have a cause. She wants to go ahead and break that.
I'm not even I was
That's
only gonna get the milkshake.
Not cool, bro. Not cool. So
I love it. No,
No,
probably never gonna watch it, but I love the Dolan so much.
I'm gonna edit all of that out.
No, you can't do that.
I can.
And the greatest
my
ever. You
video.
should check out the channel. Subscribe, like.
We're going. It's a bad idea.
Hey. But it's so
Small families are here. So many options.
Can I have one of these? No, I'm holding.
Oh my gosh. She just hijack
The nutty cocoa ring.
Yes. Nutty cocoa ring, yeah. One ball. Yeah, I think. Okay, which other one would you recommend? I'm not into white chocolate. Maybe and a chocolate. This is what I got. It looks so good. It's mainly chocolate because
I got this one.
I don't know. I really like the hazelnut one, but it's finished. Like it was a little too So we have guests at home, and I'm here ordering Krispy Kreme. Like that's so disrespectful.
Nah.
I might have to like share. Foreign terms. JK. I'm not like so. It made me taste right. So this is what mine looks like.
Mine looks better.
It looks cute. Hers looks like an Oreo McFlurry.
No. Oh, yours does look pretty cute.
I've never had salted caramel anything.
Really good, actually.
That's really nice. Like, that's really nice. Oh.
That's nice.
It's so good, so we're gonna go now. We'll meet you guys in the car. Okay, you guys, so we just finished at the mall. I got my donuts, I got my drink. We'll see if I like them. I'll show you. I'll show you my real reaction because it's not my thing, you know? I like this. I think because the chocolate drowns out the taste that I don't like. I don't like the donut taste. The fucking computer's acting up, like crashing. And it won't finish loading. And I don't know what to do. I'm just I want to enjoy my life, okay? Hey guys, so it is Saturday. It is around 11:30 and there's people here in the house. We've got the traditional situation going on downstairs. I'm in my room and my computer is, where is it? There. Nope, there. It doesn't want to work. It's not loading finished and it's been like that since yesterday and I'm freaking out because I really want to upload this video for you guys. So it's not letting me do that, which means I have to take it in and I can't leave because there's people here and I'm stressing out because I really need to work, so I don't know what to do. But yeah, there's people here finishing off lobola negotiations for my sister, which is cute, but I need to leave because I need to get my computer fixed. I don't care what they do, they can do whatever they need to do, but I need to work on my computer. So let's see how that goes. Hey, hi. This is my Auntie Kay. What do you want?
Light this up.
2:30. You want it to burn?
I'm in a hurry.
Okay, 190.
Yeah.
This down here, that's fine. What are you cooking? Yeah.
Chicken.
Both chicken.
Yeah.
This one's off.
Oh.
So what do you want on? 190 also?
Yeah. Then you can think like that.
Yeah. Auntie Kay. Oh jeez.
Is it a picture?
No.
It's a video.
It's a video. Say hi.
Sorry.
Okay. There's my
I
cat.
put my eyebrows on.
Oh my gosh, I don't have anything on. This is Bali. She's acting up. Just look at all the food we made. And there's Look at how fancy this is. So fancy. And this is empty.
It'll have something soon.
Yeah, it'll have something. And these salads, and then there's veggies in here. Fancy. And in there is where all the festivities are happening right now. They're making so much noise. And then this is me. I need to go to the iStore like now. But my computer won't work and this video won't go up if I don't get this fixed. So I need to go. Kitty's outside. The yard is packed and I need to leave. My car's over there. There's no way I'm getting out, so I'm gonna take one of these.
Chicken one.
Crazy packed, and I hope he doesn't block me in. This person who asked me to open for them. They're annoying. Like, I really like this car though. Like, genuinely like this car. This one. And then those two are also here. Like, it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot. Great. That's amazing. Is there room? We're figuring it out. So it's a pretty compact place. But it's safe, which is great, which is all we need. Because we're alone usually. So more people just gotcha, like really important people just gotcha. And I still need to leave regardless. Let me show you my sister though. She's here. Oh. So here she is.
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
Whoa! Look at her. Whoa! Oh my
Face, just the
God.
face like this. Just our face is so zoomed. Oh, come closer again.
Go closer.
Talk to me. Oh. Take a lot of pictures. Just keep taking.
Yes, girl. Yes, go for it. Like you're on the tip. They're gonna be deleting for years. Look at
Are
her.
you taking? Are you taking?
I'm not taking. Trust. Look at that. Okay, you guys. So I just came back from the mall, and they said that my hard drive is messed up. They said they ran diagnostics, and the hard drive failed. So to replace the hard drive is like 10K, and like it's just a lot of money to get this hard drive, and you might as well just buy a new product. So I was looking at the iMacs, and there's one for like 23K because mobility is not really a concern for me. I just need to be able to work, and the Wi-Fi is here, so I use my laptop here. So hopefully I can get the iMac. It just sucks that it had to die for me to get the iMac. Like, anyway, let me go dish up food and eat, and I'll see you guys later. Hey you guys, so it is Sunday. It is the latest at night. Is like 7:30. Actually, it's 8:30. It's going for 9 o'clock. I've been studying all day. Don't mind my tissue, I'm disgusting. But updates from yesterday, my laptop is still not working, so I completely have no way of editing a video and having it up for you guys. I have no clue what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I get something soon. But for now, I guess I'm just gonna film some content because my laptop had all my content on it, all my pre-recorded content. So makeup tutorials, vlogs, like Cape Town vlog, like it had it all. So the fact that it's not working means I might not be able to get that footage back, and I'll have to start all over, which means that I'll be uploading videos that are very, very current. And like my clothing hauls, you know, the ones that I haven't posted yet, they're all on there. So that sucks. I'm quite stressed out. I'll find out from the Apple store. No, I'll find out from the iStore if I can actually save any of my stuff. But if I can't, then there's no use being upset over it. I am upset that I can't upload though, because I had a video ready and I needed to upload it, and then it did what it did, and so I was upset about that. But I guess I can study for real now and not play around like I was before. So I will see you guys later, tomorrow, maybe a couple of days. Actually, I will see you guys by the end of this week, because this week's gonna be a long week. My gosh, it's gonna be the longest week ever. So on Saturday there's something happening. This Saturday there was something happening. I swear my life is just like the busiest right now, and that moment when everything's done and I get to breathe, I'll be like, wow, that feels nice. So yeah, it's just quite busy. I'll update you more during the week, but I will see you guys later.